Hi everyone. Today we find ourselves at a stunning historical property, just a short distance from the famous Renaissance city of Florence in the heart of Tuscany. The property, which is believed to have been built where a fortress once stood, is located in an elevated position and offers breathtaking views over the surrounding hills and countryside. For those looking for privacy and seclusion without being too remote, then this one could be for you. The property offers close to 1,000 square metres or 10,700 square feet of building volume, including the main villa with its 7 bedrooms as well as its very own private chapel. There are 2 hectares of land that includes a wonderful swimming pool, orchard, olive grove and immaculately presented Italian-style garden. The property would make for an idyllic private residence, or alternatively would be ideally suited for use as a private villa rental, which can generate interesting returns for an owner. And our company offers full property management services, which is of course especially valuable if you're a foreign buyer. Anyway, enough from me. Let's go check it out.